All right, cool. So let's look real quick at the media room since we're kind of on topic here. So this is what it looks like. Has the logo there. It has the about blurb. We don't. Oh, actually, we do have Facebook down here. The contact information, all the different press releases that we've sent out live. And we'll actually open one of those because we want to look at it in a minute. And then down here, if you remember, we talked about how it would embed the website in the iframe. Well, that's right here. And then right down here, you can see right there, there's that 1x1 iframe. I don't even remember what's being embedded there, but something is. And so that gives you that extra secondary embed. The embeddable version of this looks like this, and it has all the same stuff, but it doesn't have our branding at the top, and it doesn't have any of our branding stuff and links and whatnot down at the bottom. This is for if you want to embed this in another iframe page somewhere, or you want to maybe embed this onto your website or something like that. You can do it. Do it this way. We'll go ahead and look at the press release as well. So this is what the press release looks like. Obviously, all the same stuff here. You've all seen this before. This here is where the those cross links that we talked about, that's what this is. So every press release links to like the previous 10, I think, press releases, so that there's good cross linking here. So as this stuff gets crawled, it makes sure that all of your other stuff gets discovered as well. And you can change these links between do follow and no follow just by updating that setting in the organization settings. And then similarly to the, we'll just change this by hand. Similarly to the organization with an embeddable version of it, the press release page also has an embeddable version of this as well. These are actually pretty good links, and tend to be pretty valuable as having a link back to your client from our media room. Our media rooms will rank for branded search, and our press releases that we host will also rank for branded search, especially. So don't sleep on these. And if you've got stuff that you might want to see us change on these, again, feel free to let us know, and we'll talk about it. Any questions about these pages?